Hello everyone. In this video, I'm going to guide you through 2 effective methods to add your Amazon affiliate links to your Facebook page, helping you monetize your audience. Whether you're running a Facebook page in a specific niche or just starting out, these steps will set you up for success. First, you'll need to pick a product that aligns with your niche. Head over to Amazon and search for something relevant. For this demonstration, I'll search for baby products and select a baby carrier to promote. If you're signed into your Amazon affiliate account, you'll see the Amazon Associates site stripe at the top of the page. Click Get Link, choose Text, and copy the short link for your chosen product. With your link ready, let's post it on Facebook. The first method is to share the link directly on your feed. To make your post stand out, pair it with a high-quality image. You can find free, copyright-free images on platforms like Unsplash. For instance, search for baby carrier, download an image you like, and save it to your computer. Now, head to your Facebook page and create a new post. Click Add a photo, upload the image, and include your affiliate link in the caption. This combination of a captivating image and a clickable link is designed to attract attention. Remember, when someone clicks your link and makes a purchase, whether it's the baby carrier or any other product during their session, you earn a commission. If you want to showcase several products, a landing page tool like Linktree is perfect. Linktree allows you to consolidate multiple affiliate links into one easily accessible page. Sign up for a free account, log in, and start adding your links. For example, you can create a link titled Baby Carrier and paste the product's affiliate URL. You can preview your landing page anytime to ensure everything looks great. To make your Linktree page easy to access, use a URL shortener like Bitly. Copy your Linktree URL, paste it into Bitly, and generate a shortened version. Then, add this shortened link to the website section of your Facebook profile. Now, anyone visiting your page can quickly access your curated product collection. Using these 2 strategies, you can effectively promote single affiliate products or an entire collection via Facebook. This approach is simple, flexible, and a great way to start earning from your audience. If you want to make money with affiliate marketing much faster than most people, click the link in the description to watch a free video explaining how it works. It's the fastest way for even complete beginners to start making a full-time income online.